Welcome to another session in Spreadsheets Microsoft Excel with Mr. TJ Zendai here. And you need to understand that sorting in Microsoft Excel organizes your data alphabetically, numerically, or chronologically. This is the fastest method if you want to organize your data. Okay, so now you need to understand that when you open your Excel, you land on Home tab. Now this is where you have your setting here. Here is your sorting, right? Sort and field. Okay, and the first one is from A to Z, that is from lowest to highest, and the second one is from Z to A, that is from highest to lowest. So A to Z here, you are sorting in ascending order, okay, and Z to A, you are sorting in descending order, and this is what we want to look at. And at the end, we are going to customize our sorting according to what we need. Okay, so the first thing that you need to know that in our Excel here, in our worksheet, our data, it has headings. Okay, so this is the table that we are going to look at. So if I want to sort, I'm going to select the whole table here. So I'm selecting the whole table. Now in this case, if I go and select these two options, right, let me click from A to Z, that is in ascending order. Okay, it will sort according to the first column here. It will only consider the first column. That's the problem with this one. So if I say A to Z, you can actually see that it's now sorting according to what we have in the first column. If we go back and we say we want to sort according to Z to A, that is descending order, again it's looking at the first column. Okay, so that's the problem that we have. Now we want to customize our sorting so that our sorting will show us, we will sort according to the marks obtained by each learner in the languages that they are doing. Okay, so we are going to custom sort. So I go to custom sort, click there. Now in custom sort, it is asking me whether I want to sort by what. Okay, so in this case, I want to sort by the marks obtained. Okay, then I want to sort from the highest to smallest. So you can choose options here. You've got options. So here in this case, we are choosing from the largest to the smallest. Okay, let's press OK. Okay, you can actually see that the highest learner was having 163 in German. Okay, so you can sort, you can customize your sorting. Now you can also have multiple sortings. So you simply go back to custom sorting. Custom sorting, in this case, we want to add different level. I'm going to delete this level. Okay, I'm going to add the level of my choice. I want to sort by first by their age. Okay, then after age, if they are of the same age, I want to sort according to their marks that they've obtained. Then if the marks are the same, I want it to look for the surname. Okay, so I have 3 levels here. Okay, so here we want from the oldest person, that is from the largest, and the marks here we want from the highest to smallest, and also the surname we want it from A to Z. Okay, so this is the sorting that we want. We have customized it. That let's start by looking at the age, right? Who is the oldest person in this group, right? If it happens that we have 2 people or 3 people with the same age, the Excel will then look for the learner with the highest mark in that particular case and then sort according to that way. If we have again learners with this of the same age or with the same mark, then the Excel will look for the student who is having a letter, first letter in. Okay, so we have some situations in which the column headings are not provided, they are not available, what do? So you simply have to select your table like this, then you're going to customize your sorting. Okay, custom sorting. So here, that's where you specify whether your table is headers or no headers. Okay, so in this case, our table doesn't have headers, so we untick. Okay, make sure that it's not ticked. Now we are going to work with columns. So now these are the marks in column D. Okay, and it's our age in column E. So what I want us to do when we do our multiple sorting, I'm going to choose column D, right, and I want from highest to smallest. Okay, then the last column that I'm going to choose is column E, and I'm choosing from, maybe from smallest. We want to see the youngest learner in this case who performed very well. Okay, then I press OK. So this is the situation where headers are not provided. You simply untick here and then you press OK. Okay, that's all. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. If you've got something that you want to add to this session, please let me know again. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, share this video, like it. We want as many people to benefit from these sessions. Thank you.